Hey everyone, have you ever needed to send money internationally? Maybe to a friend studying abroad, helping out family overseas, or even for a dream vacation rental. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and support the people you love across borders. But international transfers can feel a bit intimidating, right? There are all these codes and numbers to juggle, and one wrong entry could delay your transfer or worse. Well, fret no more. Today's video is all about cracking the code for international transfers with comdirect Bank. We'll specifically be diving into that mysterious string of letters and numbers known as the SWIFT code. What is the SWIFT code? So, before we get to comdirect's specific code, let's take a quick detour to understand what a SWIFT code even is. SWIFT stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Kind of a mouthful, but basically, it's a global network that connects banks around the world. Think of it like a giant translator for international money transfers. Each bank has its own unique SWIFT code, which acts like an address. It tells the sending bank exactly where to route your money so it reaches the right recipient's bank account. Why is the SWIFT code important? Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use my recipient's account number? Well, not quite. An account number only identifies a specific account within a bank. The SWIFT code provides that crucial extra layer of information. It specifies the bank itself. Without the correct SWIFT code, your transfer could get lost in the financial maze, delayed, or even get bounced back. That's definitely not what you want. comdirect Bank and SWIFT codes. Alright, now that we've cracked the code on SWIFT codes in general, let's talk about comdirect Bank. Here's the thing, comdirect Bank actually has a few different SWIFT codes. This might seem confusing at first, but there's a reason for it. comdirect Bank offers various banking services, and depending on the type of transfer you're making, you might need a specific code. For instance, the code for a standard international transfer could be different from the code used for security transactions. Finding the right SWIFT code for your transfer. So, how do you find the right SWIFT code for your comdirect Bank transfer? Here are a few options. Check your online banking platform. Most online banking platforms will display the relevant SWIFT code for your account. Look at a recent bank statement. Paper bank statements often include the SWIFT code as well. Contact comdirect Bank directly. Their customer service team can help you determine the exact code you need for your specific transfer. Important reminder. Before you initiate your transfer, double-check everything. Make sure you have the recipient's correct name, account number, and, of course, the correct SWIFT code. A little extra vigilance can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Outro. Alright, there you have it. With the knowledge of SWIFT codes and a little help from comdirect Bank, you're well on your way to making smooth and successful international transfers. Remember, when in doubt, always consult your bank or online resources for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy international money sending.